Welcome to new birthing. Come, drink from the fountainhead of living water.
My beloved friends, today I wish to share with you the true meaning of the second coming. Many have been waiting for my physical return, imagining a grand event where I descend from the heavens to establish a kingdom on earth. But I tell you, the second coming is not about a physical return. It is about a spiritual awakening, a renewed understanding of God's love, and the revelation of the true teachings that I brought to the world over 2,000 years ago. The second coming is happening now, in the hearts and souls of those who are open to the truth of divine love. It is not a single dramatic event, but a gradual awakening of humanity to the profound love that God offers to each of his children. I come to you not in the form of flesh, but in the form of truth, in the form of the Spirit, and through the messages that I continue to share with those who are receptive to my guidance. The second coming is about each of you discovering the path to divine love and allowing that love to transform your soul. A spiritual awakening. The second coming is a spiritual awakening that is taking place within the hearts of those who are open to receiving the truth of God's love. It is an awakening that calls each of you to a deeper understanding of who God is, a loving, merciful parent who desires nothing more than for his children to receive his love and be transformed by it. This awakening is not bound by geography or time. It is happening everywhere, in the hearts of people who long for a deeper connection with the divine. For where two or three gather in my name, there am I with them. Matthew 18:20. My presence is with you now, not in a physical form, but in the Spirit. When you open your heart to divine love, when you gather in love and sincerity, I am there, guiding you, uplifting you, and helping you grow closer to God. The second coming is about the awakening of your soul to the truth of God's love and the transformation that occurs when you receive that love, restored truths of Jesus. One of the most important aspects of the second coming is the restoration of the true teachings that I brought to the world. Over the centuries, many of my teachings have been misunderstood, altered, or lost. The concept of salvation has often been reduced to a belief in my death as a sacrificial atonement for sin, rather than the transformation of the soul through divine love. The true message that I brought is that God's love is available to all who sincerely desire it, and that through this love, your soul can be transformed and made divine. I am the way and the truth and the life. No one comes to the Father except through me. John 14:6. These words do not mean that salvation is limited to belief in my sacrifice. Rather, they mean that the path I showed, the path of divine love, is the way to know God and to be united with Him. The second coming is about restoring this understanding, about helping each of you realize that the true path to salvation is not found in doctrines of sacrifice, but in the new birth of the soul through divine love. The call to seek divine love. The second coming is a call to each of you to seek divine love and to allow that love to transform your soul. It is a call to move beyond fear, beyond judgment, and beyond the limitations of human understanding, and to embrace the love that God offers freely to all His children. This love is the key to spiritual awakening, the key to experiencing the true joy, peace, and fulfillment that can only come from being in harmony with God. Ask, and it will be given to you. Seek, and you will find. Knock, and the door will be opened to you. Matthew 7:7. This is the invitation of the second coming: to ask for divine love, to seek the truth of God's presence, and to open the door to a deeper, more intimate relationship with the Creator. The second coming is not something that you must wait for. It is something that you can experience now, in this moment, by opening your heart to God's love. transformation of the soul. The true purpose of the second coming is the transformation of the soul. This transformation occurs when you open your heart to divine love and allow it to change you from within. It is not about following rules or adhering to religious rituals. It is about experiencing the presence of God in your soul, about feeling His love, and about allowing that love to guide your thoughts, emotions, and actions. Do not conform to the pattern of this world, but be transformed by the renewing of your mind. Romans 12.2. The second coming is about renewing your mind and your soul through the power of divine love. It is about letting go of the old ways of thinking, the fear, the judgment, and the separation, and embracing the love that God has for you. This transformation is the key to experiencing the celestial heavens and the fullness of God's presence. The role of each individual in the second coming. Each of you has a role to play in the second coming. It is not something that happens outside of you. It is something that happens within you. When you open your heart to divine love, when you allow yourself to be transformed by that love, you become a part of the second coming. You become a beacon of light, a vessel of God's love, and an example to others of what is possible when the soul is united with the divine. You are the light of the world. A town built on a hill cannot be hidden. Matthew 5:14. When you receive divine love and allow it to transform you, you become a light to others. The second coming is not just about your own awakening. It is about helping others awaken as well. It is about sharing the truth of divine love, about living in a way that reflects God's love, and about inspiring others to seek the same transformation. An invitation to awaken. My dear friends, I invite you to be a part of the second coming, to open your heart to the spiritual awakening that is taking place now. You do not need to wait for a future event. You can experience the second coming today by seeking divine love and allowing it to transform your soul. The truth that I brought to the world is being restored, and you have the opportunity to be a part of this great awakening. Behold, I stand at the door and knock. If anyone hears my voice and opens the door, I will come in and eat with that person, and they with me. Revelation 3:20. I am knocking at the door of your heart, inviting you to experience the second coming, not as a distant event, but as a present reality. Open your heart, receive divine love, and allow the transformation to begin. This is the true meaning of the second coming, a spiritual awakening that brings you into perfect harmony with God. May you always know that you are loved, that you are cherished, and that the second coming is happening now, in your heart and in your soul. Come, my friends, let us walk this path together. Let us awaken to the truth of divine love. Let us be transformed by that love, and let us find the joy and peace that come from being at one with the Creator.
We invite you, my dear friends, to open your hearts to this divine love. You are not alone on this journey. We are here, guiding you, and our loving Heavenly Father and Mother is always ready to embrace you with open arms. The love you seek, the peace you desire, and the fulfillment you long for are all available to you through divine love. All you need to do is ask, seek, and to open your heart, and to allow divine love to fill you.